Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you every details of how to install Kali Linux on your Android phone. I promise you, if you watch this video carefully, you can install Kali Linux on your Android phone easily. If you find any difficulties, you will comment and I will be glad to reply you. And please make sure you subscribe my channel. If you don't like my videos, you can unsubscribe it anytime. So I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, we need to install NetHunter Store app from store.nethunter.com. So I'll copy this link and all of this command will be in description list. So if I go my Chrome, here you can see I've connected my phone with my PC so I can show you easily. So if I paste here store.nethunter.com, so after visiting, here you can see download store app. If I click here, it will start downloading. Here you can see, do you want to download nethunter.apk? Sure. If I click here and if I go here, it is downloading, and after complete downloading, make sure you have installed this software. I have already installed this software. If I go here and I can show you, here is the NetHunter store. I have already installed this. So after installing this software, you have to open this software. After opening this, you can see here a search button. Click this search button and search for this app, Termo UX. So TERMOUX. So here you can see when you are typing this, TermoUX terminal emulator with the package. If you click here, so if you don't install this software previously, here will be installation option. I have already installed this software, TermoUX by Frederick Fornwall. So you must install this software. After installing this software, then search for NetHunter KEX client. So you can see NetHunter KEX client. You will click here, and after that you will install this software. I've already installed this, that's why it is showing an installation. So if you don't install this, just install this software. Last software you will need is Hackers Keyboard. So you will type Hackers Keyboard. So you can see here Hackers Keyboard, the ultimate virtual keyboard for hackers. So you will click here and make sure you have installed this software. After installing all of these three software, you have to open TermoUX. I will close this now. I will close this and I will open TermoUX software. So here you can see, after going into TermoUX software, so first I am typing clear to clear my console. After that you have to type TermoX, then setup, then storage. So you have to type this TermoX setup storage. So it appears that storage already exists because I have previously created this one. So first time if you type this command, they will create a storage for you. Then you have to install a package. And do you want to continue? I am pressing Y, that's why it is continuing. After that you have to install a package. So you have to write pkg, then install wget. So you have to install this. So pkg install wget, then you have to click enter. So after downloading, it will ask you for yes or no. You will press Y for yes and N for no. If you want to install, you have to press Y. So wait for it. It will download everything and it is completing download. And previously I have just installed this, that's why they are not asking for permission. So I am clearing my console again. After that you will type wget o install NetHunter TermoUX offset. This link will be in description. So if I copy here So here you can see now it is showing install NetHunter Tarmo UX. So if I go here chmod then plus x, then you have to type install NetHunter Tarmo UX, and there should not be any blank, there should be this sign NetHunter Tarmo UX. So after typing this you can see anything, then you have to type dot / install NetHunter Tarmo UX and click enter. So you will see Kali page here like this, and this will check for architecture and dependency. After that it will download everything needed for installing Kali Linux. So you have to wait here and have patience for download everything for you. And after this they will ask for yes, you'll click Y, and now they will download full image file for you. It is almost 1.4 gigabyte, so 1.4 GB. It will take time to complete the download. I will show you how to set up Kali Linux. Wait for it. It will automatically extract the file and it will install Kali Linux on your Android phone. So we have to wait for full extract of this file. So we'll wait here. After typing Y, we will press enter. So here you can see Kali NetHunter for Tarmo X installed successfully. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux on our Android phone. After completing installation, I will clear my console, and now I have to write this command. Here you can see NetHunter KEX password. So we have to type this NETHUNTR NetHunter KEX, then PASSWD, not full password, PASSWD. Then we have to enter a password at least 6 digit. So I will type, and I have to type it again, and view only password, I like yes, and I have to type password again. Then now password is complete, set up the password is complete. Now we have to start our Kali Linux. If we want to start command line interface, we can simply type NetHunter, and if I click enter, here you can see Kali localhost. So it has successfully complete or started terminal version. So if I type ls, you can see everything. If I type cd, then desktop, so you can see every Kali command is working here. If you want to start desktop version of Kali Linux on your Android phone, then you have to type NetHunter KEX, then you have to type and sign, then START start. So after successfully started, you can see this message NetHunter KEX server session. From here, remember your port number 5901. You can see different port number here on your Android phone. So you will minimize this. 5901 was my port. So inside of this, here you can see localhost. I have to type port 5901, and here you can see inside of this place or placeholder, you have to type your password, whatever you set your password. So I set my password, and if I click connect here, so you can see this one is successfully connect my desktop version. So if I can want to go here and watch all the application, here you can see all the application or Linux, all the Kali Linux application here you can see. Here you can see the terminal. So if you click here, so you can see the terminal. So you can also check your command here. So you can check here everything is working. So if I click here cd, then I wanna go in any directory, I can go, and if I type I can go back, and if I go here I can see the directory. So you can see every command is working successfully, and if you want you can install anything, if you want you can do any penetration work with your phone, but there is limitation of using some feature. You can think about Wi-Fi feature, or you can think about wireless card. There is some limitation, but you can still use many other feature. So thanks for watching. If you find any difficulties, just let me know in comment section. I'll be glad to reply you. Thank you.